Nice.
Back again to my channel Ruangtabroni. Come on, draw Mr. Prabowo Subianto from Indonesia. Draw an image slowly to get maximum results. Starting from line by line in certain parts. If this video is too fast, friends can pause this video for a moment, then repeat it. Draw from the easiest part first. Drawing Prabowo Subianto. Cut off the lines that are not needed. Color the image to make it look more real. Drawing Prabowo Subianto. Drawing Prabowo Subianto. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content. The video created has been completed. If you have finished, please try repeating again for maximum results. Thank you.